What's going on, everybody? My name is Stephen Wimberly and this is Working with Wimberly, and on this video I'm going to show you 3 ways to increase the volume on your Bluetooth devices. So I recently put a new aftermarket stereo in my car, and I noticed that when it connects to Bluetooth it just would not get very loud no matter what I did, and I made these 3 changes that significantly helped and made the volume a lot louder in the car. The first step is to go into your settings and then select sound and haptics, and then you're going to want to go to headphone safety, and then you will see an option that says reduce loud sounds. You're going to want to turn that off. That will let your volume get a little bit higher. The second thing you should do is again go into settings and go into music, and then you're going to want to select EQ. And these are a bunch of different settings that will make the music sound differently, but the one you want to choose for volume is late night. So select late night for the EQ. That should give you a little higher volume. The third thing that you can do to increase the volume on a Bluetooth device is go into settings again. This time select Bluetooth, and you'll need to find the device that you're trying to increase the volume on. For me, it's this one at the top, Belva BMV62W. That's the name of the stereo. So when I hit info, we can see it says device type other. So on a device type screen, you're going to want to tap it, and you can select what type of device it is. If you select speaker, that should allow it to get a little bit higher. So that's it. Those 3 changes allowed me to get the volume much louder in my car stereo via Bluetooth. If you found that video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.